Hi everyone, Paula here from Goes to 11 Media, bringing you another episode of Grounds for Divorce. And I am joined here by the guy that makes having grounds for divorce possible. My husband, Rick.
I don't know how to take that. Is what I'm doing, is it grounds for divorce or is what I'm doing grounds for divorce? I'm confused. I need more coffee.
I'll let you stay confused.
I need more coffee. How's it going?
Yeah, not too bad. How are you?
Good.
Yeah, I'm excited to try these.
Okay.
Yeah, so? Are we going to talk about the t-shirt?
Yeah, it's kind of a...
Did you design that yourself?
Well, I had a hand in it. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I need more coffee. You didn't see that one coming, though, did you? So this is something, we've done for many years, paranormal investigation research, and it's lots of fun. It's a topic that's close to my heart, and it's of great interest. Lots of fun doing that, and just kind of a fun t-shirt. I remember when I first came up with this, there was a woman that I knew who had a metaphysical shop, and she was absolutely freaked out by this t-shirt. She was like, I don't like it, it's scary.
Well, it's kind of like something from a movie.
It's like Poltergeist, right? Coming through the TV screen. Yeah. Or The Ring, coming through the TV. So yeah, but it's kind of fun. Anyways, what do we got on the plate, or shall we say today here?
We have some juicy raspberry flavored coffee from Forbidden Flavours.
Our good friends at Forbidden Flavours out there in Brandon, Manitoba.
Yes.
I'm sure that they're starting to thaw out back there a little bit now. The deep freeze seems to be ending. At least my friends in Alberta are noticing some changes in the weather. So hopefully they are in Manitoba as well.
Yeah.
So it's so these guys make some really, really great coffees. This is the chocolate raspberry. Now, when this showed up, I have to tell you, the smell that was coming off of this was just incredible. It actually reminded me, you know how you can get like those chocolate oranges and that kind of stuff, where you smell the chocolate and the orange. This was like that smell, like the chocolate and the raspberry, and you go, it smelled juicy. Do you know what I mean? Like it had that real sort of strong flavor to it. I will admit that I had my, trepidations regarding flavored coffees, and they can sometimes be overpowering. And the longer I go down the road in my journey of drinking coffee and experimenting with different roasts and different beans and whatever else, I find that I'm getting more and more away from wanting to have complicated coffees. Too many different things going on in that cup. And so I was kind of concerned about that. Now, I've had it as a latte, and I was quite impressed with it. I thought it was good. The milk notes sort of toned down the raspberry scent and the flavor profile that was coming at you. Because and the other thing too is that it didn't taste artificial or synthetic to me, which is a good thing, because a lot of them can be.
Yeah.
But you've done a pour over here for us, so let's delve into that. I haven't tried it as a pour over.
Thank you.
Okay. So what was that? A spoon that you'd already used? Is that
Yep.
Not that it really matters.
I was tasting it while you were
Not
off.
that it matters, since you're going into the same cup. So, all right.
It almost reminds me of like a raspberry, like an actual chocolate that has dried raspberries in it.
It does.
That kind of, or even like a liqueur, maybe a liqueur
like
raspberry.
A chocolate liqueur?
Yes.
Yep.
That's what it reminds me of.
And again, for me, and I can only speak for myself, this would be something to have as a once in a while kind of a treat. It's not something that I would drink on a daily drink kind of thing for me. But as a treat, it's exceptional. I like it a lot.
With certain breakfasts that contain raspberries that I've made for you recently, what are they?
Oh, the list is long and wide. The one thing that you make exceptionally well is your oatmeal And I hate.
He hates oatmeal.
Oh yeah, and warm cereals in general. Like, you will not get me having cream of wheat or that stuff. Like, no, thank you. But
You like pudding. You like rice pudding.
Yeah, but that's different. As I'm spilling all over my table.
Oh, how'd you get it way over there?
I don't know. But the thing is that you do this raspberry thing. Like, Paula grates up like apple. And puts apple in the oatmeal, and then you put the raspberries in, and maybe you even put in like cooked cherries, fried bananas. Okay, so you get where I'm going with this. Like, it's really good.
Ground flaxseed.
I love ground flaxseed is just so good.
Yes.
Right, like, it is amazing. So having that with that, it's a great compliment with the raspberry oatmeal.
And what have I made the past couple of days that you found very awesome? That also contained raspberries.
Well, let's call it what it is.
I know what you're going to say. But
she was going to tell me that I made pancakes. And
I did.
Those were not pancakes.
Yes, they were.
No, it wasn't. This thing,
It's an easy, fast way for people who are super busy trying to get out of the house to get to work. Instead of sitting there, one pancake, 2 pancakes at a time, flip, wait.
Okay, I got your note. I came down because you'd already gone to work. I came downstairs.
Come on,
what are you doing?
You keep drinking from there. We have something else to try.
Well, I'm quite enjoying this, actually. Anyways, I come downstairs and I see you'd sent me a text. It must have been before you left for work, going, I made pancakes for him. Eat them quick. So, but I get down there and I'm like,
3 o'clock.
No, I got down in the morning because I had to go out, but I saw there was something on the counter, but I'm going, that's not pancakes. And it looked like you made a cake. And so I come back and it's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon because I've been out running around and doing errands. And I look at this thing and I'm like, this isn't pancakes. Then I took a taste of it and I'm going, oh man.
It is. It tastes like pancakes.
No, it didn't. It tasted like a cake. So I felt zero remorse about, because you said for me to eat, about taking like 3/4 of this thing on my plate and I put maple syrup on it, fried up a couple of eggs and put that on top of it. It was so good. Like, and what was it? Was that Bisquick?
Yep. Done up as pancake batter.
Yeah, it was, and so I downed it, and I'm like, oh man, this is so good, because it tasted like I was having like
But it was pancake batter, and instead of, like I said, having to wait and flip pancakes, you throw it in the oven, put it in a baking pan.
What have you done to this
so
here?
Quickly. Ha!
What have you done to that?
Don't you like it?
No.
It's good.
What is that?
It's white chocolate.
Oh man, no wonder I'm going into a diabetic coma.
White chocolate, steamed milk.
It's way too sweet for me.
No, it's not. I'll have it.
That's her plan. Hey, listen, it tastes
nice. It's very nice, actually. The raspberry and the white chocolate and the hints of dark chocolate in there. It's perfect. It's like a nice afternoon treat dessert.
Just have your insulin on standby.
It doesn't have that much in there, seriously.
It's sweet. Listen, the flavors are good. I will give you that. The flavors are very good as far as tasting of the white chocolate and the raspberry. That it is a very good compliment. Could I drink that whole cup? Absolutely not.
You could.
No, way too sweet. Way too sweet. I'm sweet enough as it is. It's way too sweet. But you like that stuff. You like the white mochas and the white chocolate, hot chocolates and stuff, right?
Sure, yeah. I do.
Yeah,
I do.
Yeah, it's too sweet for me.
All right.
Anyways, listen, folks. If you get a chance, try this out from Forbidden Flavours. It's very good. It is. And as I say, like, if you like really sweet, you can do it like Paula did. This here is plenty enough, sweet enough for me. And if you want to tone down the notes a little bit, put it into a latte, and it does sort of diffuse out sort of the strength of the raspberry coming at you. So, but you definitely get chocolate and raspberry. It is as advertised, and it's good.
That is true.
So, thank you very much, Bev at Forbidden Flavors, for sending that out.
Dad.
We loved it. And folks, give this video a thumbs up. Give it a like. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Don't forget to hit that reminder bell. Hey. And don't forget to visit our stores. What is it called?
Grounds for Divorce Coffee.ca.
And what's the other one?
Grounds for Divorce Coffee.store.
Awesome job. All right, take care, folks. We'll catch you next week.
Ciao.